Hi, my name's Simon from Motordrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this 1965 Land Rover Series 2A 88-inch petrol soft top that you can see behind me there. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of engine starting and idling action at the end. Hope you like them. Okay, let's take this 1965 Land Rover Series 2A 88-inch petrol soft top for a spin. Mileage is showing just over 1,000 miles, which clearly isn't correct. Can't tell you if that's 101 or if it's had a replacement speedo or what at the moment. Need to check for the history. So, all lights, ignition light come up as they should. Start a button under here. Starts nicely. Now, how we're going to get out with that the recovery truck parked in the way, I don't know. There we go. Let's go down here. Sorry about this, at least you can see what it moves like. Show me how to go this way, I think. This is ridiculous. Now, one thing I've found with it is that at the moment the petrol gauge isn't working. Just put £20 worth of petrol in it and nothing's happening. I can't see out here at all. It's hopeless. That's good of you, mate. All sorts of funny clanking noises. This recovery truck. Right, there we go. Correct to have no synchro on first or second gear on this one, so you have to either, it's such a strong gearbox, it's not really an issue. But it drives really nicely. No signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. It did pop and bang a bit when it first came in, but I think it was had some dirty fuel in it, which we seem to have cleared out now with a good run. Driving nicely now. Rides nicely. And obviously, having had a galvanised chassis replacement, it doesn't drive down the road like a load of rivets in formation. It actually feels quite tight all of a piece and pretty rattle free. There is a load of spares in the back which are rattling very slightly, but the vehicle itself isn't rattling. And it's steering really well. I'm not having to do all this with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. It's going where it's placed. Speedo's working, but as I say, fuel gauge not working at the moment. Very well over this bumpy road. We do deliberately use this road, so it does tend to catch some cars out. No, this is doing the job nicely. It's quite nice, it's also got inertia wheel seat belts on it as well. It does just make it a bit more convenient. Not exactly in period, but does make it a bit more usable. So I think there we have it. Not much more I can say about it. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495. We can go to our website, which is www.moto-drone.com for any more information. Okay, quick video of start up and running on this 1965 Series 2A. All light ignition light come on. Just press the starter button. Get out and have a look. There's a little 2A engine, actually running really nice and smoothly. Sorry about the low sun shadows. Getting on with the job. I think they're about pretty much there. I think there we have it.